Once a part of the model is trained, you can then take the part of the model that learned the styles and then stimulate it and say, okay, today anyone can do transfer learning.
All right. So another thing that you've said in a related context is about models being released. And for those models that are publicly released, I assume, are they open source kind of things or things that anybody can use?
From an academic standpoint, the top thing to own is the algorithm or the methodology to create a model. I tell you how many neurons I used here, what type of learning algorithm I used, or how long did I train it, and what equipment I trained it, and I give you everything you need to do to replicate my model on your own. But the other thing is, and this is more common in industry, is that whenever they have access to these huge training models that nobody else does, when they have access to these huge GPU farms and great compute power that nobody else has, then they train a model. And even though they release it to the public, they know nobody will be able to do this because they don't have enough resources. So what they do sometimes is they save that model, the bits and bytes of the model, and they release that to the public. The rest of us could actually use that model and either use pieces of it, retrain it ourselves, or just use it. And so that is the other ownership that